I'm here to give a testimonial for Mount Pleasant Window Remodeling. They were here and they did a wonderful job for me. You can see my beautiful door here. I'm very proud of it. They helped me pick it out. They helped manufacture it. I went and looked at many doors from the different box stores, and they didn't compare at all. My windows are beautiful. My air conditioning doesn't even kick on now because of the quality of their windows. And the people working there are just fantastic. I'd have them at my house anytime, and my kitties even like them too. I had all 12 windows put in my house. I had my front door here and my side door put in. And they came and measured. They were prompt, always on time, very professional, and the nicest people you'd ever want to work with. So I would highly recommend Mount Pleasant Windows and Remodeling.